So in order to change the impeller on the Nissan Marine 50 HP, this is what you have to do. You have to take out the shift linkage. There's two punch hole right here. I'm gonna use like a punch set to hit them out, and then this is number 13. There's two on this side and two on the other. Alright, put it right here. Be careful not to lose the pin. It's very important. You just take out these. And then you pull it, it should just come out slowly, like that. And then you're gonna have to take out these 3 bolts. They're number 10. They're like only hand tight. So So you will want to inspect this. It still looks good. My impeller, I think it still looks pretty decent. You have to be careful not to lose this. It's this one right here. Right there, this pin. So my impeller still looks good, but I'm just doing my yearly maintenance. But it's about to go out soon, so it's better to change it. So this is the model number for the Nissan 15 HP 4-stroke right here. So there's a notch right here. Make sure it lines up with that. Okay. Oh. There we go. It's in. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of grease in here. There we go. It's in. Just put the screws back on. These are plastic, so make sure to not tighten it too hard, just hand tight. You don't want to make it too tight, you don't want to strip it and have more problem in the future. And yeah, you're good to go. There you go.